the first fraction, you flip the second fraction, multiply it out, simplify. It would work. But this one has a fast way you can do it. And here's how I know that something fast can happen here. Again, the old way totally works. When I say secant squared, I think of those formulas on the back of your paper. Do you remember those? Secant squared minus 1. What does secant squared minus 1 equal? Tangent squared. Do you guys understand how to find that? Because if you had secant squared and you subtracted 1 here, you'd get the other side, tangent squared. So I'm just going to write, well, the top is equal to tangent squared. How about the bottom? Cotangent squared. No, now I'm going to break it down to x's and y's, but it'll be a lot easier now. Okay, this is a good example of this. Tangent squared, do you know how to break that down to x's and y's? It would just be y squared over x squared, just because tangent is normally y over x, so tangent squared is y squared over x squared. Divided by cotangent squared, which is what? X over y, but both of them are squared because it's cotangent squared. And then we do Avery's trick of flipping the fraction y squared over x squared times what? Y squared over x squared. What's y squared times y squared? Y to the 4th power over x to the 4th power, which is tangent to the 4th power of theta. So it's a lot of algebras, a lot of x's and y's, but I'm going to tell you right now that some of them are sneaky. You could always do it with algebra, you can always do it with x's and y's, but sometimes these formulas will make things a lot faster. Okay? All right, so your total assignment from yesterday was page 658, numbers 11, 13, 15, 21, 53 through 75 odds. And I told you guys yesterday that after yesterday's lesson, you could do the first 4, and after today's lesson, you could do the rest. So a lot of you will be starting on 53 today and doing the odds. I would strongly suggest that if you are paired up with somebody right now who was not here yesterday and has not watched the video, that you reassemble. Avengers. But Ryan, you've already watched it, right?
Yeah.
So you're up with him, you're keeping up with him, you're fine.
Yeah, I did the whole.
Nathan, you're splitting, right? You're gonna, because Natalie, you were here. So Natalie, go join a different group. Anders, why don't you come sit by Nathan? Shift out with Natalie. Sam, have you watched it yet?
No.
No. Georgia was here, right?
Wait, he already has the stuff on the back, so he should be what? This? Yeah. What's with this? That's what they did. They did the top right. Oh,
He still needs to understand it.
I got it.
Okay, explain it to me right now.
No.
Yeah, so then watch the video. If you want to skip around in the video or go twice the speed, that's fine with me.
I'm good with that. So it's just saying that like cosine,
Me and Melinda were like,
cosine
because we were
30 degrees
doing the original thing.
and cosine
Okay.
negative 30 degrees
I
is the
didn't
same.
tell you.
It's-
Okay.
But watch this.
Yes. Okay, but I can't tell you how to do problems.
But no, I have a question.
Okay.
I haven't had to. I'm just stuck on what I
Okay, I'm gonna run to the bathroom first and then I can answer your questions, okay?
watch the video on your laptop.
So that's where I do the
I haven't
notes.
looked you guys that, cause.
Yeah. Mine's bad. And yours?
Oh, I've just got goes on data.
Same. My locker's like way over there.
Yeah, all of Yeah, I did my homework on MS Paint. Cause I didn't wanna go get a bite of mine.
That's a lot. Well, what are you looking
If you do my math. I don't even know.
Isn't it December?
It's like December 12th.
Yeah. December like 11, 12, 12. Oh, it's
This is all I
December.
had to watch it.
Oh, yeah, for free. So one time.
Yeah, I know you did.
Like twice I still watched.
Alright.
Yeah, I know you
Should I
did.
grab my laptop and we can
Because
slump over there
my
and watch the video?
That's what I
It was
got.
only twice. David was
I
probably
think
like
that's a
6
great
or
idea.
Once.
Yeah, whatever. I don't think
I don't think this was, I have Steve's
I think
two
small.
smokes.
No.
So, fully on.
55 is one.
Yeah, cause I'm the next option.
What?
Hey, Ryan, I can look you up. It's 55 with one, what's that? Or is it like a thing that?
It's just one. It's just constant.
You're smart at this. Right, I've watched it 5 times this week.
You have them plugged in? How? Oh my god.
You're like that to me. Because I thought you left me 5 days out of it. Fine, you leave me 3 days out of it.
Where's
I bet you. I thought you left. You're like, it's just, it's 30.
What's this
You know what that
complicated?
You know what that means? We didn't want to sit with me. If it was like 50 degrees, maybe I would sit with you. Carly, you wait for me when it's like 70 degrees. Maybe 7. 3 days out of the week, you just walk away, like that, you walk over the hallway. Yeah. I talked to him all the way down the hallway. I'm walking and I see her. There he is, in his ball full of shine. I stopped, he's carrying the best. Just everything that they do. Can you get this? 7 years.
Language.
I was just in the classroom. Yeah. This is, I left and I went, I don't see Carly.
It cancels.
You wanna work on it? Yeah.
Because it's supposed to get, right? So it's 1 plus. Okay. So it's just cancels the variable. And then
I'm not mad.
you can just, yeah, both of them are squared. So it's x squared over y squared.
Carly, I'm trying to pack it in your ass, you walk to the
Y squared
stories, and I'm
over the
just
sine
like,
squared. And then times x squared over y squared. And then the y's cancel.
yeah.
And you just swap the y squared. It just goes out instead.
Avery, when are we taking this test?
What did I do last night?
I have never said nothing.
Or like,
Andrew,
Yeah.
you want your bets?
Same.
You want your bets? Wait, Anders, did you say yes or no?
I was terrible.
Carly asked me to go, Carly asked me to go for her to get Smarties for her, and she was like, you can have one, except I don't even like Smarties. So I was.
It's because Smarties aren't good. Red Bull tastes like if you just put Smarties in water. It tastes like Smarties in water with a little bit of bubbles.
I would have both walked together. Cause she doesn't want.
No, you can't. She'll have to get her own Smarties if she wants them.
Yeah, that's it. What do you have?
It's quite a province. It's over one. Like this one is one.
Yeah.
Are you?
That's why.
Guys, how was this?
No, you put like a mark there and you put negative 5 or 4 numbers.
I'm in a good mood. Actually, I'm so pumped.
Oh, that's actually, wait, what?